Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see device audio files on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to see all the device audio files on your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the settings option over here just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and when you land over here, tap on the downloads and storage option, which is the fifth one just below the data saving. And you can see, guys, the second option here is says the show device files just below storage. Currently I have already turned it on, but in your case, if it's turned off like this, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the show device files and allow the necessary access or permissions required by the YouTube Music app. And that being done, all of the audio files available on your device will be shown on the YouTube Music app as well, and your device audio files will be available on the YouTube Music app at the library. You can see on the home screen, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen there is the library available for us. Tap on the library button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see, guys, currently we are on the library section of the YouTube Music app at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the library at the top left corner of the screen, and when this appears, tap on the device files over here, and all of your devices audio files will be shown to you on your YouTube Music app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see your device audio files on your YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.